Dominant refers to a relationship between two versions of a gene. If one is dominant, the other one must be not dominant. In that case, we call it recessive. A dominant gene or a dominant version of a gene is a particular variant of a gene which, for a variety of reasons, expresses itself more strongly all by itself than any other version of the gene which the person is carrying, in this case, the recessive. Now, it usually refers to inheritance patterns frequently used in conjunction with a Punnett square, where if an individual has two versions of a gene and one is observed to frequently be transferred from one generation to another, then it is called dominant. Biochemically, what is going on in this case is that the genetic variation, for a variety of reasons, can either induce a function in a cell which is either very advantageous or very detrimental, which the other version of the gene can't cover up or compensate for. In that case, you're going to have a dominant mutation. And that dominant mutation can be benign. It can refer to eye color of one sort or another. That can be a dominant mutation. Or it can refer to a disease. Huntington's disease, for instance, is a dominant mutation where if one is carrying that version of the Huntington gene, that mutation, that dominant mutation, will give the individual the disease regardless of what that person's other Huntington disease gene allele is. That other Huntington disease gene allele can be perfectly normal, but the person still has the disease because of that one copy of the Huntington's disease gene that is mutated. That is dominance.
Dark gas. Dark light. Dark matter. Delete it. I can't take it. It can't be deleted. The All-Spirit is made of it. Embrace it. Dark DNA. Dark skin. Is not sin. You were not born as sin.
Alchemy, Kaet, Shield, Kek. The first stage was the black sun. The first matter was dark matter. The first being was the dark being of humanoid darkness. Beings of dark skin, melanated skin at the first stage of nothingness, is a being after its own kind. The first being germinated from its source of melanated energies, dark light. Humanity that are afraid or hate or have enmity of the dark race of the perfect black, have hatred for their connection with the source of dark gases, dark light, dark matter. A dark space within dark DNA, which humanity call junk DNA, is the hidden DNA genetic material that connects a being to the source of dark gases, divine 999 gases, the ultimate gases the source, the all source, the all space. Many are taught to hate their very essence, which is dark matter, dark light. From the beginning was the word spoken, be, and dark light became dark matter that manifested with lower density levels and vibration as the black being, the dark being, or the being of absolute darkness, a thing, nothingness, as the great, infinite, and finite void of darkness that birthed the white visible light. If you take crayon and you take all the crayons in the box and you take the crayon and make circles, and you take all the colors and make circles, in the center of the circle, all the colors will turn black. Darkness is supreme. Darkness is supreme balancement. Darkness is the infinity of infinite energy and infinite power that many are envious of.